from Grandma and Grandpa. We'll unpack those today. We'll put your kitchen together too, okay? You want to help do that? Ready? What is this?
What's that?
Connor, you've been a very good boy this year.
Yes.
Follow the suckers to find your presents from Santa. I'll see you next year. Love, Zippy.
Yes.
Oh, boy.
Oh, so it says follow the suckers.
Did
Well,
Zippy and
not
Santa
here.
leave that for you?
Zippy's
Look.
not here. But he said follow the suckers.
Oh, wow.
We gotta follow the suckers to your presents from Santa. Come on. Where are they going?
Uh-oh, Connor.
Connor,
No.
in there?
Yes.
Open up the door.
Open up the door.
No one.
Oh, boy. Wow, Santa.
What is that?
Oh, wow.
Oh, what is that? What's that?
Jumper.
A jumper? You want to get in there and jump?
Yes.
Okay.
Did Santa leave you all this?
You can go in there. Here, give me the sucker. You gonna jump?
Yes.
Whoa, 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 whoa!
All right.
Figure that out. huh?
Open it.
You can come out from there again. Okay?
Hey. My now?
Yeah. What's this? It's for all your cars? Look, there's your cars. Is it a cars chair?
Yes.
What's
Is
over
there
there?
just too much going on?
What's over there? What is that?
Me?
Those are from Santa. Did you see what they're in? Here. Look. Is your wagon?
Yes.
Ooh. It says, to Connor from Santa. You gonna open those? I know, it's a big puzzle.
You open up your presents, Connor? From Santa?
Look, it's a big puzzle.
Wow, Santa left all this for you.
Yes. Yeah.
Oh, what a nice guy.
Leather.
Wow. And look, even a car's chair.
Yes.
Are you going to sit in it?
Yes.
Wow.
Me.
Is that yours?
Present. Get in there.
Kitty's in there. Okay, bye-bye, kitty. Open up your presents. See what they are from Santa.
Me?
Yeah,
Open it.
open them.
Okay. It's you. Toys?
What's in there?
Toys.
Toys?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Woo! Open! Hurry, hurry!
Toys.
Toys. Oh my goodness.
This?
How about right here?
Like this?
What is it?
Toy. Toys. Where it go?
Did you stop it so there's cut off point?
Yeah. See?
What is it?
Planes?
Open them. Open.
Wow. Wow.
Open.
We'll open it in a little while.
Wow, say
Racetrack.
thank you, Santa.
We got more presents to open out there, Betty.
Say thank you, Santa.
Say thank you, Santa.
Thank you, Santa.
Oh.
New one. New one. Open. Open it. Open that one. Open that one. No, mine.
More little
Oh, more
planes.
planes.
Look. They go with that one.
All right. What do you say?
Thank you, Santa.
Oh, that was so nice. Look at all this stuff he brought you. He brought you